Welcome back! Today on Dialed In DIY, I'm making at least 5, probably more things as magnet hacks using magnets that I've salvaged in some of my previous videos. Step right up for round number 1. We're actually making something that I have a very specific use for, but it actually has a lot of other potential uses as well. If you come up with a few extra ones beyond what I'm going to use them for when I'm done making them, let me know in the comments below. For all of the hacks in today's projects, I am using neodymium magnets. Those are those bright silver shiny ones, and they are a little bit more prone to breakage, cracking, or shattering if you let them fly across into another magnet. That's part of why covering them up and then making them glued inside securely is very helpful, because that way if they slap together or slap onto something else, the magnet is not going to break and leave pieces everywhere. But it also creates this great opportunity to have this little string hanging down with a clip on it, which means we can now put the magnet up just about anywhere we want and attach the clip to things that we need to have held up. My first 2 uses for these, one was a quarantine relief for my kids. I just clipped them to some of their favorite lightweight blankets and then put the magnets on the framing of their bunk bed. Instant curtains, instant enclosures, instant fort. Pretty cool. My second use had a similar purpose, but in the garage. I'm using some lightweight material to help block out the heat and excess light on my garage doors. Hack number 2, we're just tooling around a little bit. This really quick and easy project was perfect. Now I have something I can keep in my toolbox that lets me pick up little items like screws that are stuck down inside of stuff that may be in hard to reach spots in a very easy way. It also helps to kind of keep things collected together when I'm taking stuff apart. You like hiding stuff? You got a good reason to hide stuff? Maybe you just need to keep things hidden from other people. Hang around. I'll show you a way you can stick things just out of people's sight. My main purpose when I made this was basically just to hide a key, but there are no limits to what you can hide like this. You just need to make sure you have a container that will fit what you want to stash away. Still hanging in there with me? Awesome. Let's go ahead and make our mark on this next hack. Make our mark, because we need a marker for this one. Yeah, the bad puns don't stop, sorry. So this first version turns out to be perfect because I can use the magnet to hang the marker up underneath something, but I can also still use it to pick things up as a nice little pickup tool, and the other end where the marker is still works too. Triple threat. So let's try a second version of this, which actually has an ulterior motive behind it. I made this particular version this way because it's very easy to hang up on anything, but it's also great for cleaning up my workspace when I'm done, especially for lots of little parts like screws, washers, and nuts. I'm nothing if not a sucker for a bad pun. Or sarcasm, either way. This next one does involve a cap, and your favorite cap. Just pick a bottle cap, some magnets, and some wire, and we're gonna make something fun. When all is said and done, you get to display two of your favorites. One is your taste in beverages, and the other is a favorite memory or someone that's an important contact, or just a fun kid's drawing. It's up to you. But now you've got a way to have them stick around. I know the title says 5, but I couldn't help but throw on this 6th one because it's just a good, fun, clean way to use magnets for a very good purpose. So there you have it, a whole bunch of hacks, gadgets, and tools made using salvaged and repurposed magnets. If you're interested to find out where I got these, I will put the links in the description below to 2 previous videos that I've done that demonstrate all kinds of places that have magnets that you can take back for free. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to stop by Dialed In DIY. I really do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. I hope you all are out there staying safe, healthy, and happy. I'd really appreciate it if you do the like, subscribe, and share thing as long as you're here. And please do check out my other playlists for videos that may help you to pass some time or to pick up some new tricks and tips on projects that you can make. But as always, remember to come on back in the future because there will be plenty more Dialed In DIY to come.